Hi, in this video we are going to see the experiment named PLC based control of material hoist. This experiment consists of a demo model of a hoist for a building with 3 floors including the ground floor. That is, you have a ground floor and a first floor as well as a second floor. Here you have a hoist setup, okay, or a load cage, and it is driven by a motor which is connected at the top. Motor has two terminals, M1 and M2. The green color wire, that is M1, and the black color wire, that is connected to M2. If you apply M1 as positive and M2 as negative or ground, then motor will move up. If you apply M2 as positive and M1 is made ground, then the motor will move down. So by changing the polarity of applied voltage, it is possible to make the load cage to move up and down. Now if you see the inputs available in the setup, in each and every floor 3 push buttons are there. Okay, in the second floor you have 3 buttons, that is ground floor, first floor as well as second floor. Similarly, in the first floor also you have 3 push buttons. In the bottom floor also you have, ground floor also you have 3 push buttons. Okay, if you consider the ground floor, this ground floor push button will be connected in parallel with the ground floor push button in other floors also. So therefore, even though you have 9 push buttons, effectively from the programming point of view, you have only 3 inputs. Okay, and in order to detect the presence of hoist, 3 limit switches are provided exactly at each floor. See, this is a limit switch. This is a limit switch. Similarly, this is a limit switch. So what happens? A limit switch is a mechanically actuated switch. That is, when an object slides over the limit switch, the contact will be closed, just like a switch is getting closed. That's all. Okay, so when the hoist slides over the limit switch, it will get activated. So therefore, there are 6 inputs in the setup. 3 inputs from the push button and 3 inputs from the limit switch. And as explained in the program, we have 4 outputs to change the direction of the polarity of the motor, that is to move up and down. Okay. Next, we will see how to burn this program, how to develop and burn this program into PLC. See, the program development part will be same as that of a dosing kit because we are using the same PLC. Let me show that also. The setup is going to be controlled by a FATAC make of PLC, and the particular model number, it is going to be FBS-14MC. Okay, so if you open this WinPro ladder software, okay, and you may create a new project, and while choosing the project, you need to tell your project name and the model name. By default, it is available in the actual PLC model, that is FBS-14MC, and if you click on OK, then a ladder logic program editing window will be there. In that, we need to edit our programs. For the sake of short video, I have already entered a program and I am going to show that program now. Okay, now I have opened the program that I have explained it in other video. Now let us try to turn this program into PLC. Now you click on go online or online. If you press on that, it will ask for the type of connection through which you need to connect with PLC. In that, choose RS232 and the port number corresponding COM number of your serial port. In this PC, there is only one COM, so choose it and click OK. Now PLC will be online, and the information in the PLC will be synced with that of the PC, and the final status will be displayed. Fine. Now, if the PLC is already in stopped condition, then you can run the PLC by clicking on this menu, PLC, then run PLC. Okay, if you want to stop it, you can click on stop PLC. So it will ask for confirmation if you want to stop the PLC. If you press yes, then the PLC will be stopped. Similarly, for running it, PLC, run PLC, it will ask for confirmation, then you can run the PLC. Now the PLC is in run mode. Now if you go and give the input to the system, then it has to work. Let me enter the first floor. I want the hoist to come to first floor. Now what happens, the motor is reversing, is rotating in opposite direction, and because of that the hoist is coming. And also look here, exactly when the limit switch is activated, the motor is turned off as per the programmed PLC program. Okay. So I hope this particular experiment would have some insight on the basic operation of PLC as well as sequential control. Thank you.